How to pivot. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. Right now it's really challenging, and I was on an interview yesterday, and I was talking about how we were so comfortable in our lives up until recently. I went to Disney World last year, and it was the fast lane, trying to get through to the ride faster. Fast food, fast lane, fast shipping from Amazon, Prime. These are the kinds of things we want, fast, and being super comfortable. And now we're really uncomfortable. We're at the bottom of that. We're so uncomfortable with how things are that we don't even know how to handle things. And that's where pivoting comes in. I was listening to a friend of mine today, Jim Edwards, talking about this, and it is so important that we pivot right now, because if we don't, we're actually going to cause more harm. There's going to be mental health issues. If we think that this virus is a problem and it's going to be skyrocketing and then level off, well, get ready for mental health. That's coming right behind it. Mental health issues are coming up behind it, and they are going to keep on going. But it's not only going to be for a small number of people, like the virus is taking lives of a small number of people by comparison to the whole earth, but there's going to be a lot of mental health issues from billions, likely, because they're at home right now. And in fact, being at home can cause all sorts of mental health issues plus physical issues like inflammation. So we need to pivot right now, and pivoting takes a little bit of awareness and doing things differently. We have to do different things, and we have to think differently. So one of the things that I've done as a result of this situation, I made an immediate pivot because I recognized it right away. So I have 3 sons, and they all go swimming, and they're not swimming anymore. And as of I don't know what it was, 4 to 5, 6 weeks ago, their swimming stopped. So immediately I pivoted to walking every day, every noon and after dinner with them, going for a walk and making sure they get outside, because being out in nature is nurturing, and also movement is medicine. So making these pivots matters so much right now, and we don't realize that. And it's a simple pivot. So when I say pivot, it's just doing things a little bit differently, looking at your life a little differently, being aware. You're not heading to the pantry or the fridge every time you have some emotions coming up. Don't let that get to you. Stand your ground, because if you head to that fridge all the time, after a while, you're going to be getting heavy. And I've heard that from some of my clients, that they're putting on weight because they think of themselves as an emotional leader, and that's not a good thing. So pivoting right now is just looking at things differently and thinking about how you can improve your situation. Because if you do that, then you're going to be focusing and facing what you want, the solution. Because if you face the problem and think about the problem and listen to media and keep thinking about what they're saying and where that's going, that's not going to help you at all. You need to pivot. You need to pivot and pay attention to what matters to you right now. If it's your family, pay attention to them. Give them the love they need. Give yourself the love you need. Relax, rest, recover. Do what you need that's going to be good for you, because you're no good to anybody else unless you are strong. That's why on a plane they tell you to put your mask on first. You need to be strong for everybody else. So if you can pivot today just a little bit and do something for yourself, do something for the people you love and your family, and look at your world and your life a little bit differently, then you can make a big difference in your life and their life, and you won't get caught up in the minutia, which is going to be huge mental health issues. I don't know for sure, but I can tell you, if people are at home right now and they're not pivoting, or they're not doing things that are good for them, they're going to be caught in this mental health upward or downward spiral, and it's going to be a mess. So good morning, Paige. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, go over there and check it out. Leave me a comment here. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know how you're feeling. Seriously, I want to know how you feel, and if there's something I can do to help you. And if you haven't grabbed my book already, Living the Life of Your Dreams, How to Stop Working Insane Hours and Live an Awesome Life, I'll put the link below. You can grab the free ebook there. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.